Believe it or not, there's a tiny seed that packs more protein than an egg. Face screaming in fear. But it doesn't just build muscle, it can also protect you from one of aging's most silent enemies, muscle loss and joint pain. After age 60, your body starts losing muscle quietly. You won't notice it until one day, standing up from a chair feels like a struggle, stairs leave you breathless, or opening a jar becomes nearly impossible. But don't worry, today I'm revealing 5 powerful super seeds that can help you rebuild lost muscle, regain strength, and bring back the balance and independence you deserve. No expensive supplements, no complicated routines. Just natural, everyday foods that you can easily add to your meals. And if you stay till the end, I'll not only name these superfoods, I'll give you a step-by-step daily plan to rebuild your body from the inside out, one strong step at a time. Pushpin comment below. Have you ever felt your legs getting weaker? Speech balloon, just type yes or no, because you're not alone in this journey. Bell, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss the daily tips that help you stay strong, mobile, and free at any age. 5 super seeds that help rebuild muscle, strengthen joints, and fight aging naturally. Have you ever heard of a tiny seed that contains more protein than an egg? It may sound too good to be true, but it's not only real, it could be one of the most powerful tools you have to maintain your strength as you age. As we get older, particularly after the age of 60, our bodies begin to quietly lose muscle mass in a process known as sarcopenia. It doesn't happen overnight. One day, you may notice that it takes extra effort to stand up from a chair. Stairs seem steeper, and a small jar feels impossible to open. These everyday moments can be startling reminders of just how important physical strength is, not just for fitness, but for freedom, independence, and dignity. But the good news? You have more control over this than you might think. Today, I'll share 5 powerful, natural seeds and plant-based foods that can help you fight back against muscle loss, improve joint health, and boost your energy, without expensive supplements or extreme diet. And don't worry, these are simple ingredients you can easily add to your everyday meals. Stay with me until the end, because I'll not only tell you what these foods are, but also give you a practical daily plan to incorporate them into your routine for long-lasting results. Before we dive in, take a moment to comment below. Have you ever worried about your leg strength? A simple yes or no will do. When we share, we remind each other that we're not alone on this journey. And if you're new here, be sure to like and subscribe, because every day I share simple, science-backed tips to help you reclaim your strength, energy, and independence. Seed number 1. Hemp seeds. The muscle-building powerhouse. Imagine a seed no bigger than your fingertip, yet packed with more protein than an egg. That's hemp seed, an incredible superfood that can easily blend into your meals while fueling your muscles, joints, and energy. Just 3 tablespoons, about 30 g, of hemp seeds contain nearly 10 grams of complete protein. Complete means they include all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot make on its own, critical for building and repairing muscle. As we age, complete protein becomes more important than ever. Your body needs it not just to grow muscle, but to hold on to what you already have. Hemp seeds help do just that. But they offer more than protein. They also contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in a near-perfect ratio, which helps reduce inflammation in your joints and muscles. This means less soreness, better mobility, and improved recovery after everyday activity. Even more impressive? Hemp seeds are a natural source of magnesium, iron, and zinc. Magnesium relaxes muscles, preventing cramp. Iron helps deliver oxygen to working muscles, and zinc supports immunity and recovery. And best of all, they're easy to digest, even for older adults with sensitive stomach. Unlike many other seeds, hemp doesn't contain phytic acid, which can block nutrient absorption. How to use it? Morning. Sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoons on oatmeal or yogurt. Lunch. Add to a salad with olive oil or avocado. Snack, blend into a smoothie with banana, almond milk, and cacao. Each spoonful supports not just your physical strength, but your confidence. Because walking without support or getting up from a chair without effort, that's freedom. Seed number 2. Sacha Inchi. The ancient Inca secret for strength. Sacha Inchi seeds, also called Inca peanuts, were once considered sacred fuel by Peruvian warriors. Today, they're one of the most underappreciated plant-based protein sources available, and ideal for seniors looking to maintain strength and joint health. Just 28 g of Sacha Inchi seeds delivers around 8 to 9 grams of complete protein, again, rivaling the protein content of a large egg. But where these seeds really shine is in their exceptionally high omega-3 content, even higher than flaxseed or chia. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for reducing chronic joint inflammation, improving neuromuscular signaling, and keeping your steps steady and confident. These seeds also contain vitamin E, which protects muscles from age-related oxidative stress, improves circulation, and helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. Also present are magnesium, zinc, and even tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin. Serotonin improves mood and sleep, both of which play key roles in muscle recovery and energy levels. And unlike many nuts or legumes, Sacha Inchi seeds are rarely allergenic and easy to digest, making them great for sensitive systems. How to use it? Breakfast: mix with oatmeal and sliced banana. Lunch: sprinkle on a quinoa or veggie salad. Snack: enjoy a small handful of dry roasted seeds. These seeds don't just strengthen muscles, they calm the mind, support better sleep, and help you feel more grounded and confident in every movement. Seed number 3. Moringa powder, the green miracle of muscle health. Known as the miracle tree or tree of life, moringa is a leaf loaded with nutrients. When dried and ground into powder, it becomes a green superfood that provides incredible support for aging bodies. Just 100 g of moringa powder offers a whopping 27 grams of protein, more than a boiled egg, chicken breast, or many other plant food. And, again, it's complete protein. But that's just the beginning. Moringa is also rich in vitamin A for vision and immune support, vitamin C for collagen and tissue repair, vitamin K for bone strength, iron for red blood cell production, and calcium for bones and muscles. It's practically nature's multivitamin. What makes moringa even more powerful are its antioxidants, such as quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which help reduce inflammation in joints and muscles, making movement easier and recovery faster. It's also very easy to digest, making it ideal for older adults. How to use it? Start with 1/2 teaspoon daily and work up to 1 to 2 teaspoons. Add to smoothies, soups, oatmeal, or sprinkle on salad. Pair with a healthy fat, like avocado or olive oil, to help absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Example smoothie: banana plus almond milk plus moringa plus flaxseed oil equals a complete recovery meal. Moringa isn't just nutrition, it's self-care in a spoon. A way to nourish your muscles, protect your bones, and reclaim your vitality. Food number 4. Firm tofu. Gentle yet powerful protein. Firm tofu is often overlooked, but it's one of the most effective, digestible protein sources for older adults. Provides about 8 g of complete protein per 100 g, making it ideal for building and preserving muscle. Tofu is made from soybeans and is also rich in calcium, especially if it's made with calcium sulfate. This makes it a dual-purpose food, supporting both muscle and bone health. It also contains iron, which boosts oxygen delivery to muscles, and isoflavones, a plant-based compound that mimics estrogen. Isoflavones help reduce inflammation, protect bone density, and support heart health. For women, tofu may ease postmenopausal symptoms. For men, it supports cardiovascular health without disrupting hormone levels. Tofu is also cholesterol-free, low in saturated fat, and blood sugar friendly, making it great for those with diabetes or high cholesterol. How to use it? Pan roast slices with olive oil, garlic, and black pepper. Stir-fry cubes with broccoli, mushrooms, and low-sodium soy sauce. Snack: cold tofu slices with sesame oil and sea salt. Firm tofu is the perfect, meatless meat. Light, clean, and powerful. Food number 5. Quinoa, the super grain for strength and endurance. Quinoa may look like a grain, but it's actually a pseudograin that offers a complete protein profile and is a nutritional powerhouse for energy, recovery, and blood sugar balance. 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 185 g, offers 8 g of complete protein, with a high concentration of lysine, an amino acid crucial for muscle growth and often missing from traditional grains. But quinoa doesn't stop there. It also contains magnesium, potassium, and calcium, the big 3 minerals for muscle function. These help prevent cramps, support steady nerve signals, and ensure proper muscle contractions. Quinoa is also high in fiber, supporting digestion and stabilizing blood sugar. It's ideal for older adults managing diabetes or digestive issues. Plus, it contains iron, B vitamins, zinc, and folate, nutrients that help with oxygen transport, nerve function, and muscle regeneration. How to use it: breakfast: cook with almond milk, add morena and hemp seeds. Lunch: replace white rice with quinoa in salads or bowls. Dinner: cold quinoa salad with spinach, olive oil, and roasted almonds. Pro tip: rinse thoroughly before cooking to remove bitterness. Use a 2-to-1 water to quinoa ratio, simmer covered for 15 minutes until fluffy. Quinoa gives you sustained energy, strength, and confidence, 1 bite at a time. Final thoughts: your strength is still within reach. Many people believe that aging means slowing down. But that's not true. Your body has the power to rebuild, to regain strength, and to thrive, if you give it the right tools. And those tools don't have to be expensive supplements or complicated regimens. Sometimes it's as simple as a spoonful of seeds, a serving of tofu, or a bowl of quinoa. Start small. Add one of these foods to your breakfast tomorrow. Make it part of your routine. Your body won't forget the care you give it. Because your legs are not just for walking, they're for living. For independence. For freedom. And these 5 foods can help you preserve every step of that journey. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and comment below. Backhand index pointing right: which seed will you try first? And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a daily tip to help you stay strong, mobile, and full of life, no matter your age.